Hi. So today topic is part families. Okay. So part family is a feature is commonly used for standard parts or components with repetitive design like gears, bolts, and flanges. Okay. So generally part family allow us to efficiently manage and create multiple variations of single parts or assemblies by parametrically controlling dimensions, features, or components. Okay, so before pa going to the use of the part family feature, we need the expression based model. Okay, so here are the expression, total nine expressions are there. Okay, how to create these expressions? I already explained in my previous video. Please, if you don't know, please see that. Okay, so let's proceed. First, I'll go to the tools and in utilities, here part families is there. Okay, if it's not available here, then expand here and just check part families. You can find this. Click on the part families. Then here in available columns, select the expressions in and in expressions, select the D1 to DL5 and R1. All the expression which we are using in our part families. Okay. After selecting this, click add to end. Okay. Here we added. Okay. Then in chosen column s- see the it's already added or not. Okay, then expand the part family spreadsheet and click on the create spreadsheet. Then it's automatically open the Excel application. After that, here that nine values are appearing here, and which here part number is 01, part name is standard. Then we are creating the second part. Then we are giving name standard second. Okay, so D1 I want, suppose here I'm reducing all the values by giving here 100, then 80, then D3 is 50, DL1 120, then T250, then DL3 is 120, DL4 220, DL5 140, 520, 50. Okay, here we created the second part. Okay, second one with these dimensions. I want the standard to part number and the second model I want with this dimension. Okay, for our reference we keep this. Okay, then we need to then just go to the add-ins. In the add-ins, in expand the part families and select save family. After clicking save families, it's appear the two separate part. That is, one is the standard part which we created by expression base, and second is the standard which are created by changing the values. Okay, and after creating this, just select the both and select the create parts. Okay, this one is update part. If you change anything, then we need to click on this update parts, but as of now we need to create parts. Okay, create part. Click on the create parts. Okay, then member parts created successfully. Click OK. Okay,